सीएम तब बदलना पड़ता है जब कोऑपरेट न करे। ये सीएम कोऑपरेट कर रहा है।
What made Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh step down 2 years after violence first erupted in the state? Ethnic clashes between the Kuki and Meitei communities in Manipur began on May 3, 2023. These clashes resulted in over 200 deaths and left more than 60,000 people displaced. The opposition consistently demanded Biren Singh's removal. Even NDA allies withdrew their support from the government, and yet Singh held on to his position.
मणिपुर में जो बीरेन सिंह का इस्तीफा हुआ है वो उनकी कोई मृत आत्मा जागी नहीं है। ये बहुत सोचा समझा और मजबूरी में लिया हुआ फैसला है।
Faced with an open revolt from the BJP members, especially in the valley areas, and the National People's Party's withdrawal of support in November 2024, Singh and the BJP leadership knew they couldn't afford a no-confidence motion scheduled for February 10th.
The assembly session is about to begin. The opposition was planning to bring a no-confidence motion, and there was a fear that a lot of, MLAs from the BJP might also support that no-confidence motion. In that context, the BJP central leadership has given up on Biren Singh.
For months, several BJP leaders in Manipur had been calling for Singh's removal. In October 2024, many valley-based leaders even took their demand to the PMO. But the central leadership continued to stand by Singh. Recently, Manipur Assembly Speaker and Panchayati Raj Minister also met with the BJP's top leadership to push for his removal. As tensions escalated, BJP leaders in Manipur split into factions. Singh's loyalists versus dissidents, camping separately as the assembly session approached. Adding to the pressure, there was a leaked audio which allegedly linked Singh to the Manipur clashes. The Supreme Court has now sought a sealed cover report from the Central Forensic Sciences Laboratory, which is investigating the tapes. With political allies distancing themselves, an internal BJP rebellion and fresh allegations surfacing, was it still viable for Singh to continue as Chief Minister? The answer clearly was no. And that's why 2 years after the violence began, Biren Singh has finally stepped down.